Managing contacts can often feel overwhelming, but with ZenInbox CRM, the process becomes seamless and efficient. Whether you're a professional handling individual clients or part of a team managing organizations, ZenInbox CRM ensures your contact list is always up to date. The beauty of ZenInbox CRM is its ability to automatically create contacts as emails are received. Every new interaction is instantly captured and added to your contact list, saving you the time and effort of manual data entry. But what about those moments when you need to manually add a contact? ZenInbox CRM has you covered with an easy and intuitive manual entry process. Let's walk through how it works. To add a contact manually, simply click the Add Contact button and select Add Manually. This opens a detailed form that allows you to input the contact's information step by step. Start by entering the essential details such as the contact's first name, last name, and email address. You can also upload a profile picture to personalize the contact further. If needed, you can include professional details such as their company name, mobile number, or website. These fields help you build a richer profile for your contact. ZenInbox CRM also offers options for social links and advanced details like SIC codes, employee count, or alternate websites. While these fields are available, there's no rush to fill them in right away. You can always update the contact later as your relationship grows. With ZenInbox CRM, flexibility is key. You can start with the basics and enhance the contact record over time. Whether you need minimal details or an extensive profile, the choice is entirely yours. Once added, all your contacts are organized and easily accessible in your CRM. Whether you're looking for individual clients or managing organizational data, ZenInbox CRM makes it simple to find what you need, when you need it. ZenInbox CRM isn't just a tool, it's your partner in staying organized, saving time, and focusing on what matters most. Automatic contact creation, flexible manual entry, and the ability to enhance profiles over time make it the perfect solution for seamless contact management. Start managing your contacts effortlessly with ZenInbox CRM today.